Google Sheets, you can use Google Translate directly. The formula is enter Google Translate, and then you can select the cell that you want to translate, and then select the language you're translating from. In this case, it's Japanese. And now I want to select the language that I want to translate it to, and I want to do English. I've been playing around with this for a little bit, and the translations are not that accurate, but I cross-reference with Google Translate, and they're not that accurate there either. So, but I think it's a good start. After you translate, you can pull down on this little square, and it will translate each cell that has translation needed. Like I said, the translation isn't all that great, but it's a way to start, and you can usually get the meaning of what they're trying to say.